Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're taking a step back in time, all the way to 2010. Because today, in the year 2025, I spent an entire week using this, the Nokia C5. Yep, a classic candy bar style phone with physical buttons, no touch screen, no Instagram, and definitely no TikTok. So the big question is, can you actually use a Nokia C5 in 2025? And more importantly, why would you? Let's talk about it. This phone came out over 15 years ago. It has a 2.2-inch screen, a 3.2 megapixel rear camera, a micro USB port, and runs on Symbian S60. It's got physical buttons for dialing, texting, and navigating. Remember those? The battery, a tiny 1050 milliamp hour unit, and you know what? It still lasts for 3 to 4 days on a single charge. Let's see your modern smartphone try that. Surprisingly, it still does. I popped in a 4G SIM card and it worked for calls and texts. No 5G, no Wi-Fi calling, no data browsing. But for the basics, it's perfectly fine. It's a bit of a challenge getting contacts over. There's no Google account sync. I had to transfer them manually through Bluetooth. The camera? Yeah, it's terrible by today's standards. But again, that's not why we're here. Let me tell you, after just one day it was refreshing. No notifications, no scrolling, no mindless browsing. Suddenly I was present. I looked up more. I talked to people more. I didn't check my phone every 30 seconds. And for the first time in a long time, I didn't feel like I was being tracked, nudged, or manipulated by algorithms. It felt like freedom. Of course, there were downsides. No GPS, no Spotify, no social media, no email notifications. Even texting was slow. T9 is fun for 5 minutes, then it gets old fast. But that was kind of the point. This was about slowing down and disconnecting, at least temporarily. In a world full of distractions, the Nokia C5 reminded me of something important. We don't always need more tech. Sometimes we just need less. This phone won't replace your iPhone or Galaxy, but for a weekend getaway, a digital detox, or even as a backup phone, it's kind of perfect. And it still looks good too. That classic Nokia design. Timeless. Will I keep using the Nokia C5? Not full time, let's be real, but I'll absolutely keep it as a backup or for moments when I want to disconnect. In 2025, using a Nokia C5 is weird, inconvenient, and honestly kind of beautiful. Try it sometime. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this throwback tech review, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and tell me in the comments. Would you go back to a phone like this? Or is that just crazy? Catch you in the next one.